I was expecting the engineers of Kenya to support the finance bill. I am surprised you guys are quiet. I have not heard your voice. You are the people who are going to benefit from the housing plan. You are the people who are going to implement our superhighway. You are the people who are going to implement our universal health coverage. You are the people. Now, you guys want me to do the heavy lifting, and you want to sit at the end and reap the benefits. That's not fair. I mean, good people. I think we should be in this together.